Why does it feel like no matter how much you earn, the money never stays? Why do some people get raises, side incomes, even bonuses, yet still feel financially stressed? And why do others, earning the same or even less, slowly move ahead? If income was the answer, wouldn't everyone with a decent salary be comfortable by now? Welcome to Precision Net. In the next few minutes, you'll understand why your salary is not the real problem, what actually keeps people stuck financially, and how to fix it without waiting for a big break or a higher income. Let's start with a hard question. Have you ever checked your bank balance and wondered where the money went? You remember earning it. You remember being careful. Yet somehow it disappeared. This isn't bad luck. And it's not failure. It's cash flow. Cash flow is what happens after money comes in. Not in theory. In real life. Picture this. Your salary hits your account. For a moment, everything feels fine. Then rent leaves. Transport follows. Food. Subscriptions you forgot about. Small daily purchases that feel harmless. Before you know it, the month feels tight again. Now ask yourself this. Did you choose where that money went, or did it simply react to life? Most people never make that choice. Two people can earn the same amount, live in the same city, and face completely different financial futures. Why? Because one controls cash flow. The other only tracks income. Here's where most people get it wrong. They treat saving and investing like leftovers. Something to do if there's money at the end of the month. But when was the last time there was actually money left? What if instead saving happened first? Before spending, before lifestyle, before excuses. People who grow financially don't wait for motivation. They decide in advance. A fixed amount, a fixed percentage, non negociable, even if it's small. Because consistency beats intensity every single time. Let me ask you another question. If your income increased today, would your savings increase automatically, or would your lifestyle absorb it? For most people, expenses grow quietly alongside income. A better phone here, more convenience there, slightly higher standards everywhere. The pressure stays the same. This is why many people feel stuck year after year. Not because they don't earn, but because the gap between income and expenses never widens. That gap is everything. Financial freedom lives in the space between what you earn and what you spend. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need extreme discipline. You need visibility. Have you ever actually tracked your spending for a full month? Not guesses, not estimates, real numbers. Most people avoid this because they're afraid of what they'll see. But awareness is power. Once you see where your money leaks, you can finally redirect it. Another question. How much of your income is working for your future versus only paying for today? If the answer is almost none, you're not alone. But you're also standing at a decision point. Because money doesn't change on its own. People change how they handle it. Here's a simple shift that changes everything. Decide your future contribution first. Savings, investments, emergency buffer. Then design your life around what remains. This isn't punishment. It's control. When money has direction, stress decreases. When it doesn't, anxiety increases, no matter how much you earn. And finally, think long-term. Wealth doesn't arrive suddenly. It compounds quietly, month after month, year after year. Small amounts become meaningful. Consistency becomes freedom. So ask yourself this. Do you want another year of earning and wondering where it went? Or do you want money that finally starts staying with you? Your salary is not the problem. Your cash flow is. Fix that, and everything else starts to change. This is Precision Net, and this is where financial clarity begins.